Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. In my kitchen today, there's nothing like the joy that it brings for me to make a lemon pound cake. I'm going to show you how I do mine start to finish. What I'm going to start out with is the glaze that's going to go on it when it comes out of the oven. I'm going to take 1 lemon and zest some of the zest into a measuring cup. I am making a lemon pound cake for the Super Bowl party for tomorrow. Everybody loves pound cake, so it won't go to waste, that's for sure. And then if there's any leftovers, my husband is more than happy to eat a piece for breakfast if I have pound cake in the house. Okay, that looks pretty good. I've got my oven on 325 preheating. And I'm gonna squeeze 1 lemon. I don't want any seeds for my glaze. Cookie, we're making a cake today, girl. Gotta make a cake to take to the Super Bowl party. Yes, ma'am. It's gonna bake for 70 minutes. That's in my oven. It bakes for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Exactly. Get down. Okay. Now to that, I'm gonna add enough powdered sugar that it thickens. Let me show you what that looks like, because it's kind of like the consistency of glue is what you kind of want. Making a mess. Making a mess on a Saturday. Baking a cake for the Kansas City, San Francisco. And I don't really care who wins. I like to go for the socialization and the food, okay? Yep, that's what I go for. Okay, this is almost ready. Been listening to some gospel music this morning while I'm doing my chores. It just makes the day go by so much better. Okay, this is a great consistency. I'm going to show y'all what that looks like. It looks like that, okay? All right, I'm going to set that to the side. That's my glaze. So we'll save that for when this is done. Now, I'm going to crack 5 eggs that I have set out last night so they'd be room temperature this morning. I'm going to crack those into a measuring cup because I want to add those one at a time. My oven is preheated, and that egg just popped over here on here. Okay, let me move that out of the way. I'm done with that for now. Powdered sugar. Okay. Set my eggs to the side and have them ready to go in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my sugar, butter, Crisco, and cream cheese going so it can get blended nice and creamy. And then I'm going to add 1 egg at a time. Meanwhile, while that's doing that, I'm going to sift my dry ingredients and have those ready to go in. Okay. I'm going to use half a stick of Crisco, butter flavored Crisco, which is half cup. Half cup of Crisco into the mixing bowl and get this out of the way. Two sticks of butter at room temperature. Oop, about dropped one. Two sticks, which equals 1 cup. 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature, or you can use 1 cup of whole milk, totally up to you. I like the cream cheese better in my pound cakes. I like the consistency and I like the flavor. This is not going to open easily for me today, it looks like. There we go. Come on. Again, this is at room temperature as well. Come on. There we go. Okay. I'm going to add 3 cups of white granulated sugar. 3 cups. And I'm going to start my mixer on low and let that get creamed. 1, 2, 3. When I was trying to decide what to make, I wanted to make something savory and then a dessert. And you know what? This is always a surefire thing for me. So why not make what you make the best? And this is it. Okay, I'm going to get that started, then I'm going to grease my pan and do my dry ingredients, sift my dry ingredients. And I'll try to speak up so y'all can hear me. Oh, my nose is itching. Ooh. Okay. Let me grab a paper towel. And I like to grease my pan where I can see all white. Okay, that looks about right. I'm going to add some flour to that because I want to grease and flour the pan. And I'm going to sift that around and shake it over my trash can. There's that. Okay. To this, I'm going to start adding my eggs one at a time and let them mix well after each addition. And over here, I'm going to sift my dry ingredients, 3 cups of all-purpose flour or cake flour. I'm using all-purpose today. That's 1. There's 2. Let me sift that a little bit so I have room. There we go. And here's 3. Okay. There's 3. I'm going to need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. We'll add another egg. Another egg. You can use 6 eggs if you like. I'm using 5 today. I'm going to go ahead and put my flavorings in. 2 teaspoons of lemon extract. And a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste or vanilla extract. And I'm going to eyeball mine. There we go. Now let me knock all this down off the sides. Get it incorporated. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients about a third at a time. Okay, there's that. Woo, not too much. So for you that are watching the video and are writing this down, let me review it for you, the recipe. You're going to cream 3 cups of white granulated sugar, 2 sticks of butter, room temperature, 1 8-ounce package cream cheese, room temperature, and a half a stick of butter flavored Crisco or half a cup of Crisco. Cream that. Crack 5 eggs into a bowl, put them in one at a time. Sift 3 cups of all-purpose flour or cake flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, set aside. Add your eggs one at a time, blending well after each. Add in your flour a little bit at a time, blending well after each. And we're going to bake it for 70 minutes on 325. Oh, it's smelling good. Let me get everything down off the sides again and give it one more spin. Oh, I love cake batter. I do. Okay. Into your cake pan that has been greased with Crisco and floured, or you can use cooking spray. I prefer Crisco. It gives it a little crispier outer layer. Okay. Knock it down to me. 325. 70 minutes. 1 hour, 10 minutes. Lemon pound cake, y'all. Give it a try. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, and comment. We'll see you guys later. Bye now.